One of the state's largest vaccination sites is just hours away from opening. Chopper 5 was over the Oakland Coliseum, which held a dry run today. It comes despite a supply shortage that forced a temporary shutdown of 2 sites in San Francisco. KPIX5 reporter Andria Borba is live at the Coliseum, which is now taking appointments. Andria?
It is, in fact, taking appointments. You can register online, and they're already practicing for traffic control measures here off of 880 and the Coliseum at 66th Avenue. We have more on this story. In fact, more on how the vaccine rollout is going around the state and around the Bay Area right now. From Chopper 5, workers going through the motions at the new Cal OES and FEMA clinic, which has taken over the Oakland Coliseum site. The parking lot no longer for tailgating, but vaccinating. We saw cars drive into the large tents, met by workers who will begin distributing thousands of COVID vaccines starting tomorrow. Dr. Peter Chin-Hong of UCSF says at the moment, the race is on to get doses into arms before new variants of the virus appear.
Every 2 weeks, the virus is mutating. So what's next? It's not going to be the South African variant. Maybe it's the Bayview variant, or maybe it's the Pacific Heights variant. So I think the longer we wait to immunize everyone, the longer we wait for herd immunity, the higher the chance that some new variant is going to come on board and wreak havoc.
There are other vaccination sites opening up too. In San Mateo County, SFO's long-term parking garage this week will become a drive-through vaccine site. In Marin County, vaccinations are now open to everyone 65 and older. 92% of all COVID-19 deaths in Marin County have been among those 65 and older. And as second doses are given, remarkable progress has been made against the disease.
And as we looked at the data in our long-term care facilities, our residential care facilities for the elderly, our skilled nursing facilities, tenfold decrease in cases over the past 3 weeks.
So, Andria, where are vaccine officials getting the doses that will be administered at the Coliseum?
Well, Elizabeth, these will come from the Cal OES and FEMA stash and not the Alameda County stash. You can sign up to get your doses if you're, in fact, in one of the groups that is available to get their doses right now at MYTURN.CA.GOV, or you can find a link on our website, KPIX.com. Live in Oakland tonight, Andria Borba, KPIX5.
Andria, thank you. Well, San Francisco paused operations at 2 mass vaccination sites because they were running out of vaccines. Moscone Center just opened 9 days ago. It's now closing for at least a week. Same scenario at City College of San Francisco. No appointments were canceled, though. They made reservations based on the amount of vaccine they had.
Some progress on COVID-19 vaccinations in Santa Clara County. More than half of county residents aged 75 and older have received at least 1 dose. 43.7% of residents 65 and older have also received at least 1 dose. More than 230,000 people are now partially or fully vaccinated. Also in Santa Clara County, Good Samaritan Hospital has stopped giving out first doses of the vaccine. Clinic officials say their focus was on vaccinating its own health care workers, not the broader community. Good Samaritan says it will still be distributing second doses. Well, last month, the hospital faced a backlash for allowing staffers at Los Gatos School District to receive vaccines after suggesting they register as health care workers.